Hi, John Morgan here with Bob's Market and Greenhouses. And this year, with coronavirus and many county fairs being canceled, we thought we would have our own county fair. Of course, we have to do it virtually. So, over on our website, you can head over to bobsmarket.com. We have a link to the rules for our county fair. And it's basically a photo contest. So just like you would enter the photography contest, the home canning contest, home arts, and also livestock, we're going to be having a photo contest for each of those categories throughout the month of August. So it's easy to do. All that you need to do is take a picture of your entry and send it in. So you're going to do that by email. So take your picture and either on your computer or your phone, send it to ask@bobsmarket.com with Virtual Fair 2020 in the subject line. And then be sure to include your name, your age, your address, and then also what category your entry is in, what division, and then also a description of your entry. And that way I can make sure I get it sorted out into the right spot for the contest. And since it is a fair, we're going to be sending out ribbons to the winners. That's why it's important that you include your mailing address in the entry form. So we hope to see all of your entries, and we're going to share all of them over on our blog at bobsmarket.com. So hope to see you there. We're going to have an awesome fair on Facebook, Twitter, and on our website during the month of August. See you there.